Welcome. We got a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage here, and we've got the door panel removed, and say we need to go ahead and remove this door lock actuator. So reasons you would remove the door lock actuator, say because it's electronic door locks, you hit the button and it won't lock. It would be that there's some electrical components in here that have gone bad. So the way we'd remove that, of course, you remove the door panel. Then you want to disconnect the electric here. Just move the tab and pull it out. Set that to the side. And up the inside here is a clip you got to remove. I'll show it when we pull it out. And then you may or may not have to remove the actual door lock on the outside. But then you're going to want to do right here. We've got 3 T30s that we need to loosen up. Take these T30s off. As you remove it, it looks like if you kind of tilt it this way, you can be able to get it out of the access of where the hole comes in there. Show that in a picture. But right here is where your door lock mechanism goes in there when you put the key in through the outside. And that's how it locks and unlocks the car. So right there is where the door lock actually would enter from when you hit the key in through it to unlock and lock your car. And right here is the little, there's a cable that goes in here, and this is from the handle, so when you pull the handle, that's how it opens the door. You pull this up. But all you have to do is you just push this off the tab and then pull that cable out, and that's how you get that out. And so we've got our door lock. This is all one unit. You purchase this and just reinstall. So we'll go through the same process of reinstalling it. Just that we gotta put it in and make sure that we get that piece to go back in here. And just go ahead and tighten them up. They, kind of easy to tighten them up. They're tapered, so they'll line up where they should be installed due to the taper of the hole there itself. And then just make them good and snug.